Hello, galakad kami sa Lacandula. What's my friend? Ate Christy? Hello, kamusta po? Baby, hello. That's good here. Raquel, this is your grandma and grandpa house, your mom. See this? Hello, kamusta po? Punta ka school. So, oh, another building here. My God. Ito naman, pasok tayo ng 18. No, it's 17, 18, 19. 17th Street. Ito, yung kanto papuntang school. Whoop! Let's go over here, babe. Oh, doggy, doggy. Shower, shower. So, punta tayo ng school. Bahay nila Marilyn, ng mga ka-elementaries, batchmate ko. Ito yung tulay nung maliliit kami. Bakit ang dumi-dumi? Wala naglilinis, wala nagwawalis-walis. Tapos the canal, it's madumi din. So this is the elementary school. Hello guys! Ay! Saan ginawa mo dyan, sis? This is my elementary school, Lacandula. Sa pinapatawag ako ng mga teacher, gusto ako makita eh. Yeah, hello! Kamukha ni Monchito din. Yes ka. Pasok muna kami na. This is the school. So this is the gate. We're going inside. This is up. Ayan, this is our school. Barangay Lacandula. So, yan, they have project. Anong grade na kayo? 6? Pwedeng pakitawag si Teacher Jenny. Isa sa inyo. Si Ma'am Jenny, sabi mo nandito si Kuya Gaygay. See? Look. Hello. Hello po. Kamusta po? Pinapatawag ako ng school, mga teacher. Nung linggo te. Buntis. Tingnan ko lang to, naalala ko to eh. Let's go baby over here. So this is the Lacandula. See, this is my elementary school. This portion is elementary school and that portion they build as high school. This is the place where I graduated. I'm with Tom, baby. So nandito kami sa elementary school namin. So, pinasal ko si Tom. Tapos, sumasal din ako kasi pinapatawag daw ako ng teacher. So, Aydar! Kamusta? Kalinis ng school, ha? Wow, malinis siya. Wow, malinis siya. Makamis, Kenny. So, lalo, Kenny. Sula bale. Wane. Wala dapat siya akin mo ka rin. Come on, baby, let's go to the sign. Wapo. So this is the sign. We look, baby. Hi, this is my batchmate, Teacher Jen. Hello, Teacher Jen. Kamusta po?
Say thank you sa papasalamat tayo kay Kuya Guy sa mga blessing na binigay niya. Diba naka-receive tayo ng notebook, pencil, sila yung nagbibigay lagi. Mula nung kinder, diba nakakatanggap tayo ng Crayola, sila yun. Tayo sabihin nga natin na maraming salamat Kuya Guy sa mga binigay niyong mga blessing. 1, 2, 3, go! Salamat Kuya Guy sa mga binigay niyong blessing. Okay, more powers, more blessings.
Kids are so... Sino yung mga to? Prep naman.
Ito mga prep.
Kilala kayo mga teacher dyan? Ay, sino si ma'am dito?
Si Ma'am Violeta.
Wait, baby.
Ma'am Yon.
Hi, ma'am. Musta po? Hello. Hello, guys na kami. So, wait, baby, look at that. Tapos na ako nag-visit sa mga estudyante. So, alis na kami. Thank you, elementary school, baby. Bye, Lakandula.
You said Flores in the basketball court, the kids get excited.
What?
When you were talking about the kids in the class, you said the basketball court, you said your last name, they all got excited.
Yeah, their faces. Oh, that's him. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, si Kuya Guy pala yan. Oh, that's Kuya Guy.
What was that about the 50th anniversary? Were you telling them about 50th?
Yeah.
What was that about?
Hello po. The school, it's gonna be a 50th foundation.
Okay. What does that mean, foundation?
It started.
Oh,
The school started
50 years ago?
50 years ago.
Oh, okay, okay.
So I'm one of the donator or donation. I'm gonna donate some because it's a big event.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a lot of so I have a lot of kumare here. 14th Street, guys. What do you want to eat? No, outside. You can eat the food here. Huh?
Huh?
Outside, we're gonna eat.
Okay.
Oh, you wanna eat there? There's a restaurant over there.
That's amazing.
Okay. Hello po. Si Claude ko po.
God bless.
Kamusta? Ayan, ate kong kayabing apam. Una na ako. Nan Domingo. At suya pala ikati ka rin eh. Suya Amerika. Lai, Pauga. Junior, Paulia. Magmadyong na naman. Ngeri yatang April. Street. What is this? It's fry or grill. You want to eat here? It's fry and grill. What they have? It's samgupsal. It's Korean yesterday. Hello po, musta? Oh, they have let's see.